MMM went crazy.
I'm still in.
MMM went. You still in? How you looking? I got out. I ain't even gonna lie.
I gotta pull it up. I don't recall.
But you up though, right? You gotta be.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, you gotta be. Because
yeah. I'm at 43%. I'm waiting for that 50.
let's look at Visa. Visa. Look at the double bottom. The double bottom is the truth. The double bottom is the truth, right? If you get like the first bottom, it comes here, it's a W. And the thing is, if it manages to break the neckline over here, it would it would likely go up. But it can very well get to the neckline and get pushed back down. So at this point, it can do this. It can go here, and if that resistance is strong, it it will push it back down. So you don't want to do anything here. Or it can do this. It would break out. But even if it breaks out, you don't chase it. You're gonna wait for it to correct itself, retest this level. If that level holds, it should bounce with a pin bar or a bullish engulfing bar or a 2 bar reversal, then you trade it up. So it's likely going to do one of these. It's going to go up here, bounce, or it's going to go up here, come down, retest, bounce. So for now, we wait. Home Depot. Home Depot is at the bottom of the second bottom. One bottom, right, is the second bottom is forming. So we can watch Home Depot, definitely gonna watch Home Depot, what it's gonna do here at the second bottom. Because it may do here, it may do here, it may do this, right? It's forming a W. That's a win. A W is a win, right? So it's trying to do this. So if this level holds, it will come back up here. And if it breaks, it would go up here somewhere, right? So Home Depot, we gotta watch it.